National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued an extreme wind warning for Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Southern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, western Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Allen Parish in southwestern Louisiana, eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Laura were moving onshore along a line extending from 15 miles south of Sabine Pass to 6 miles southwest of Creel to 7 miles south of Freshwater City, moving north at 25 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Lake Charles, Port Arthur, Sulphur, Orange, Nederland, Groves, Port Neches, Lumberton, and Vidor. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Louisiana and southeastern Texas. Repeating, an extreme wind warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Cameron, Jefferson Davis.